Good morning, everybody. My name's Stephen, and welcome to the Yoga Room. I'm so glad you could join me today. Today, we're going to do the practice of Kundasaya Vindadvaya Kundadasana Yoga, which translates to yoga of the mind, body, and soul. And we refer to our heart when we say soul because that's what we share with each other when we come to the yoga room. Now, if you just get your mats ready, we're going to start with some Kundalini breathing. Now, the thing about Kundalini breathing is it really warms you up and gets you mindful from this practice from the inside out. It's quite a guttural, throat-driven breath. And then on the exhalation, we do a staggered breath starting at our top register, working its way down. This allows us to warm up from the inside out, and it also does a cleanse of the chakras, starting with the 30-second eye. So if you'll just join me for Kundalini breathing, here we go. Arms up, arms together, mindful, be present in the room. And again. One more. Now, between each posture, we go to Savasana, which is similar to Savasana, but, well, just better. Now, we honor our past in Savasana by starting with Savasana, but we then move it to a much more active pose, Savasana, much like a contemporary dancer or Jesus on the cross. Again, Savasana. Good, nice. Next, Kundalini, Trikonasana, hand to head pose. Take your hand up to your side. That's it. Yes, lift, 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 lift. To your head, open out. Kundalini, exhale. And other side. And the head. Up. And Savasana. Good. Well, there you have it. Thank you for joining me for your practice today. This has been quite an intense workout, so really be mindful on your way out. Drink lots of water today, perhaps have a lovely vegan dinner. You're going to find that you're probably going to have one of the best sleeps of your life. And as always, we thank each other and we honor the practice at the end of the mind, body, and soul. We thank our body for being able to execute the practice, our mind for having the fortitude to come into the yoga room in the first place, and our soul